Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin on Exodus wallet in 2025. For that, you will have to launch your Exodus wallet, and over here on the home page, you will see this dollars option in the bottom. So you need to simply tap on it and then you will be landed on this buy page. Now by default it will show you USD as currency that you can use in order to purchase Bitcoin, and by default it will take BTC over here, so which is a good thing. But if you want to change your currency, then you can tap on this USD section and you can select your currency. Afterwards, you just have to enter the amount that you want to spend in order to purchase Bitcoin, and then it will show you the equivalent amount of Bitcoin that you are going to get. You can even select these presets or you can even enter your own amount. After that, underneath it you will see the option of payment that it will choose by default, like it is showing me debit card with Ramp network. So the Ramp network is basically the provider on which you will have to provide all of these details again, and after selecting the payment method you will have to conclude your payment. So here if I tap on the buy option, as you can see that it has redirected me on the Ramp Networks website, where you will have to first provide your personal details like your phone number and your email address in order to create your account here. Then you will have to again enter the amount of USD that you want to spend in order to purchase the Bitcoin. Afterwards, you just have to simply conclude your payment, and once your payment is done, you will be able to get your Bitcoin in your Exodus wallet. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.